Hi everyone, this is a quick unboxing and a quick review of the PreSonus ERIS whatever E8 XTs. So let's get into it. Let's see what's inside these puppies. Let's see. Have a look. Incision 1, 2, 3. Put that down. Cool. So what do we have here? We've got an instruction manual, or just to register whatever, and then we've got some pads. Some pads which are over here that they should go underneath your speaker to stop you from vibrations. Stop you. Styrofoam. They're very well packaged. Yeah, tiny speaker. Not so tiny. 10 kgs, I think. Very well packaged. There's nothing else in the box, just a speaker and that instruction manual. There is a power cable at the back, right there. It's got the UK plug because we are in the UK. That's it. That's the unboxing. All right, so basically I've done the unboxing. I have set up my speakers on the desk. Oh, lovely, beautiful, all that is done. I've had a 3-hour go at them. I'll tell you why. I'll start with just reading something from the box that I found very interesting, and I think it is on spot with how it describes the speakers, or what the speakers are basically. So the silk dome tweeter and a 100 by 60 degree elliptical waveguide provide a wider stereo image for a larger sweet spot, ideal for critical listening. The result is a smooth, refined sound that accurately reproduces transient and high frequencies. So that's it, that's the speaker, that's the whole speaker. You open it up, once you set everything up like I've done, you load up a song, something familiar, something that you know and you know you've listened to a million times, and what do you get? You get the highs, basically. The highs, the soundstage, the highs, it's just on a platter. Everything is nicely spread out. You've got, you know, hi-hats, cymbals, trumpets, or whatever instrument you've got. You can pinpoint it on the plateau. You've got a plateau and you can choose there. That's the instrument. The other thing that you notice is once that vocal hits, it's sweet. It's a sweet vocal reproduction speaker, basically. It is right there in front of you. It's like right there. You can, to the point where if you feel like if you reach out, you are touching the person, like, you know, you're going like this on their face. You're doing that. That's how accurately, you know, spread and imaged is the speaker image is. The next thing you notice obviously is bass. I mean, it's got 8-inch woofers on there. I don't know, yes, it does say on the box, both the wave and nature of the ERIS whatever E8 XT's custom woven composite 8-inch low frequency driver deliver a constant dispersion pattern through the frequency range. A larger cabinet and improved ports deliver bass response down to 35 Hertz. That is, it's true, it is lower. I can definitely hear. I've had for 17 years, I've had the Behringers 2030s S, the passive ones. Basically, I have my own amplifier, so I had the passive ones. I don't know about the active ones, how the active ones sound, so don't know. But it is definitely an upgrade in the bass department, especially in the low ends. I can hear more low end, and I can control the low end. And after, like I said, I've loaded up a few songs, but after I loaded up a few songs, it was quick. It was 2-3 songs, and then that's it. I felt I need to go into my Fruity Loops, FL Studio, whatever, and I started doing a mix on my own songs. Started listening to the productions that I have done, and then suddenly I started finding myself rearranging stuff. Like, I know this doesn't go there, this goes there, and then left went to the right, and the right went to the left. Like, I've got so much more that I can do with the soundstage. Like, it opens you up to do more with the soundstage. Basically, you can spread out your instruments better. Like, I can hear the difference now to, you know, I've been going up to the kitchen speaker, or, you know, headphones, Beats, the AirPods, whatever, going to the car and listening to my mixes over and over and over again. And I feel that it has definitely improved the soundstage on the mixes outside of you know, outside of this tiny studio that I have here. The speaker is excellent in terms of soundstage and low-end reproduction. The mids, I can't tell the difference between the Behringers and these. There isn't much difference. I cannot hear a difference. I can't say there isn't much difference, because I cannot hear a difference between the Behringer 2030s and these speakers. Like I said, I've had the Behringers for 17 or 18 years. So this is not an upgrade, but a different sound. It's an upgrade in terms of the soundstage and imaging of this speaker. But the mids, I can hear a difference. Lows, definitely lows. I think I'm wrong, but I'm not too sure. I think the Behringers go down to, I think, 80 or 70 Hertz, whereas these ones, obviously, like we read on the box, they go down to 35 Hertz. And that gives you that little more control. I do house tracks and EDM stuff like that, so it's everything. Like, if you get a rhythm going and a beat, everything is down low. Like the punchy bass and the kick. That's very important to me, and this has definitely opened up that for me. Yeah, bad points. When you turn the speakers on, the first thing you hear is a hiss from the trebles. I think it's because the volume is all the way turned up on the when you turn them on. The amp, it's got an, obviously it's active, so I think the volume is all the way up, opened, and when you turn it on, it's like a big PA system where it's ready to rumble, where it's ready to go. You get that hiss. So you buy them separately. Basically, you get one box for one, and then, you know, you buy the speakers separately. They don't come as a pair. So this one has it, and the other one has it as well. The left and right both have it. Also, what they both have is, if you go down to the woofer, there is a low bass, very tiny low end buzz that you get from again, power. It's just like, it's ready to go. You can barely hear it, but it's there, just so you know. As a whole, I love it, and it's opened up a bit more work for me to say, because I've been going back, like I said, I've been going back to my old mixes now and just rearranging stuff, like putting stuff left, right, center, EQing a little bit more on the mastering. So yeah, it definitely has opened up a little bit more work for me, but it's not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing, because my mixes have now improved, and I think that's what a good studio monitor should do. So yeah, thumbs up. I mean, I love them. Okay, so see you next time, and I'm gonna do a quick video about buzz, hums, and hisses coming from the PC when you're moving the mouse. There are issues. I know that some people have them, and everybody is struggling with them. I'll do a separate video on that. I'll put a link in the description, and you guys can check that out as well. See ya!